If you like this video, click on that subscribe button and be notified of more great ideas. This is a charging cord for an Apple iPad. I have several of these and a few others that I've thrown out because what happens is they tend to break right off in this area here from moving around too much. So I've discovered a fix for that. What I have here is some heat shrink tubing. Now this is, let's see, I've used a 9/32. Here's the box here. They come in all different sizes. But this is a 9/32 and it happens to be blue. It probably can come in any color. And you can probably find them at a hobby store or definitely from Amazon. Anyway, the size I mentioned here fits very nicely over the head here. And once it's on there, all we have to do is take our heat gun and warm it up. Shrunk nicely right on there, and that acts as a reinforcement and strengthens this area of your cord, and it's going to last a lot longer, and I know that because I've been doing this for a while. Well, I hope this helps you. If you'd like to be notified of other new modifications, please click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.